Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send XRP from your Ledger Nano X to XMO in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to an exchange like XMO for trading or withdrawals, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. It's quick, secure, and I'll walk you through it so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you're set up properly. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or phone, some XRP in your wallet, and an XMO account with a verified wallet address ready. Oh, and always double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 security standards. It's crucial to stay safe in the crypto world. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Enter your PIN on the device to unlock it, then navigate to the XRP account in the app. You'll see your XRP balance right there. Awesome. Step 2. In Ledger Live, select the Send option for your XRP account. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your XMO account, find your XRP deposit address, and copy it carefully. Paste that address into the Ledger Live field, then enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, XRP transactions might require a small fee, so check that first. Step 3. Review everything on your screen. Double-check the address and amount to avoid any mistakes. Crypto is irreversible. Once you're good, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by approving it with the buttons. You'll get a confirmation on both the device and in Ledger Live. A quick tip: in 2025, with new regulations, always enable two-factor authentication on XMO and use a hardware wallet like Ledger for extra security. Avoid public Wi-Fi when doing this to prevent hacks. And there you have it. You've successfully sent XRP from your Ledger Nano X to XMO. It should show up in your XMO account within a few minutes. If you run into any issues, check the official Ledger or XMO support pages. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.